Hello guys! Good evening from Portugal. Hola! Boa noite! Mais dia de luta. Another day of fight. Try not to give donation to Portugal. Loteria. Loteria de Portugal. Today I have, how much is this? Oh Lord, Sika. 5, 10, 15. 24 euro, 24 euro session, okay? Okay, 24 euro. Vamos começar, let's start. Let's start with this Christmas tickets. Wait, the camera is crazy or what? Okay, I have ticket number 15 and 16. Can see this is size. Matching number outside Portugal. In the main game, here we're looking for Christmas tree. Here we're looking for snowman. Okay, let's go to the bonus. Christmas tree? No, Estrella. What's this? We're looking for snowman. And no. Okay, so we're looking for 40, 11, 36, 17. In Portuguese, números. We have 19, 13, 15, 12, 14, 38, 36, 27, 29, 30, 35, oh Lord, 20 or the price, 43, 16, 17, 39, y... Hi, winner! I found a win, 11, in the last spot. Ticket number? What is this? Ticket number 15 is a winner. 11. Be big. Wow! 20 euro! Wow! It's a nice win, guys, in a 5 euro ticket. So I got 20 euro. 11. Wow! Already got almost of my money. What's the lottery code for 20? I don't know. But it's a good win, guys, in a 5 euro ticket. Okay, so 20 euro win. 11. C. Okay? Nice. Okay, so I got already almost all my money. I only spent 24. Christmas tree? No, it's a guru or hat. We're looking for snowman. Let me win in this area at least once. No. Okay. We're looking for 20, 23, 19, 21. Oh, meu Deus. 19, 20, 21, 23. All 20s. And I got 13. 16. 13, 16, 33, 17, 27. Ay, no, 27. 45, 44, 29, 29, 35, 42, 15. I thought I have 15, but no. 18, 19, 30. No, no 30, 34, 27. No, this is not a winner. 20, 23. This is no. 20. Oh, no. Am I right? I will review, but I think it's not a winner. Okay. But I got 20 euro win. So it's good. Now let's go to a lot of tickets. Okay. I have to scratch the easiest one. Palabras sortudas. Lucky words in English, guys. Let's do the old-fashioned way. R and N. R, R, R. On my dancing tripod. N. Okay. R and N. Ah, I have the letter A. This is not common. Others are here also. Why this tripod is dancing? I bought the wrong tripod, guys. I don't use sometimes, guys. I don't use my brain. Sometimes my brain is stuck. A. Okay. I have all the necessary. I. E. I need O and U. L. It's a winner. Lair. Okay. So it's a winner, guys. Wow. I think I almost got my money. L and X. L and X. No X on the L, but I found a win in the bonus. Lair means read in English, guys. P and C. C. No P? Or I don't see. No P. D and V. D. D. V. I need O. I need O. C. M and B. M. B. No M. No, two letters. No. H and T. T, but no U, no O. No O, no O. H and T. There's T. T, but no S. So only one win. Lair. How much this? What is this? €5. Okay, so I got all my money in this session. Okay, Lair €5 plus 20, 25. Wow. So I got all my money. Already look through. Now let's go to my favorite ticket. Strelas de Sorte. Lucky stars. And on the bonus area, we're looking for moon. I know it's a bone. 7 and 49. Set y 49. Set 49. 49. 49. Where's the 40? 28, 23. In Portuguese, números 28, 23, 11, 13. 11, 13, 55, 39. 39. Ay, I need 35 to win the jackpot. Ano, 54. 39. What? 55. 2, 34. 34. 2, I need 29 to win 3,000. 34. 54. 36. 36. 36. Where is 54? Ay, I need 35 to win the jackpot. 26, 42. 42. Where's the 26? No 26? Or I don't see. 52, 18. Oh Lord, I need this. 35 or 29. 52, 18. Nada? So 8 key. But no 52. I need 35. 43, 45. 45. Oh Lord, I am waiting for 29. I was waiting for 29 and 35. 45. No, 45. So this is not a winner? Am I right? I miss a lot of numbers all the time, guys. Okay, so, but I think it's not the winner because 2 different letters. But I will bring this to the lottery store to make sure. Yeah, maybe I miss anything. Maybe it's a jackpot. Okay? I need 25 to win the jackpot and 29, but they don't have, of course. If they have, I win. Now let's go to Sorte Set, Lucky 7 in English. 55, 27, 55. 55, there must be 27, 27, 55, Jessica, open your eyes. 13, 21. 51, my Jesus. 13, 51. 13, 51. 30, 49. 30, 49. 17, 24. 24. 17, 24. 1 and 2. 1, 1, 2, 1. 14, 17, 14, 27, oh Lord. 14, 37, 14. Why this 31, 41, 31, 41, 38, 39. I win her! It's a winner. It's a winner, guys. One, 37, 37, 38, 38. 51. Where is the 51? Here, it's a winner. Woohoo! Look through. 38, 39. 38, 39. 54, 53. 54. 54, 53. Only one win. Maybe it's a jackpot. One win. Game number 6, Jugo size 4. Of course. €5. It's a good win, guys. I got all my money. Okay. So I got €6 look already. €6 profit. Okay. Nice. I still have one ticket. I still have one ticket to go. Pote de mel. Pot of honey, guys, in English. We're looking for 1 and 40. 41. Okay. 39, 47. 39, 47. Size 27. Size 27. Okay. 35, 50. 35, 35, 50. 50 versus 35, 35. 22, 14. 14, 22. 59, 41. 59. Ano? Ay, Jessica. 59. 41. 41. Ay, set. But I don't have 54. I thought I was a winner. But I don't have 54. Set, what? 23. Set. 23. Okay. Maybe I missed a lot of numbers because I'm lazy, guys. 31, 51. This is 51. 31. 57, no. Last one. 24, 36. 24, 36. 36. Complicated this ticket, guys. I'm so lazy to do this. 24. I need 57 to win 30, not 57. No, of course. If there is, I win. Okay, so maybe I miss a lot of numbers, but it's not a winner. Okay, so the jackpot I have 34, 57. I don't have 34, I don't have 57. So, of course, I don't win the jackpot. But I got a lot of wins, guys. Okay, so I found 11, 20 euro. 20 euros, so 20, 20 in Portuguese, 25, 25, and another 5, so 30. I spent 24 and I got uh, 30 euros back, 6 euro profit. Okay, and then gaste 24, gané, no, gaste 24, gané 30 euro. Lucro 6 euro. Okay, okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao. Others stay here, but of course it doesn't matter because letter K is 5 euro. Okay? Ciao. There's Q also. Just for fun, guys, but I know already it's only 5, but I miss a lot of letters. Okay? Ciao. Happy weekend. Ciao.